This is the back side of ET base. This is power on and off switch, DC power output, USB PC output, hand button and foot pedal output, Wi-Fi reset button, and HDMI output. There are 4 buttons on the ET base panel: LED light brightness, zoom in and zoom out for HDMI mode only, and scan button. The head of ET has a TFT display that allows you to preview the screen in real time and view the device prompt. There are 3 indicators in the ET head: power indicator, scan indicator, and Wi-Fi indicator. Connect the ET to the power supply and connect the hand button or foot pedal as needed. Foot pedal are more convenient for scanning books. Turn on the power switch. Place the black pad under the ET lens. Adjust the pad position to ensure that 2 corners are aligned with the ET base. Make sure the pad can fulfill the entire display and no other things exposed except the document to be scanned. Open Scissor Scanner and choose Scanner. Click Scan to enter the scan preview window, and then choose color modes and paper handling method on the right column. Storage path can be defined by clicking Set Storage Location on the upper right. Please turn on the LED light when scanning. There are 2 brightness levels for the LED light. Please adjust light level at your needs. The flat and single mode applies to the scanning of flat and uncurved page, like business cards, invoice, book covers. The software will automatically perform deviation correction, edge trimming, and toning, etc. of the pages. Scan the next page after the indicator light is out. Click the folder on the upper right to quickly open the file in folder and check the scanning result. Open bound documents, for example books, and you will see 2 curved pages. Place the curved pages in the middle of the preview screen and align the pages with the borders. Please note, the next step is very important and may affect the results of automatic curve flatten. When scanning, let the pages retain natural curve instead of forcing unnatural distortions. The pages on the right show the natural curves after opening, which is the correct way to complete the step. These 2 are unnatural distortions, which user should not follow. Unnatural distortions will result in distortions in the scanning results. Unnatural distortions identification tips. Compare the top and bottom edges of the pages. For example, at the top and bottom edges show similar curves in the pages on the right. It belongs to natural curves. Whereas, when there is a big difference between the curves on the top and on the bottom edges, it belongs to unnatural distortions, which user should try to avoid. When wearing the fingertips, please only press the middle of the left and the right edges of the pages without applying too much force. Otherwise, unevenness or distortions will occur. and result in distortions in the scanning images as well. Do not open your hand when pressing with the fingertips. Otherwise, the open hand will affect the detection of the left and the right edges of the pages and result in failure of automatic trimming of the left and right side. Please note, you should only press the blank area in the middle of the open document. You may not press the effective content, the bottom edge, nor can you touch detection area on the upper edge. Otherwise, the removal of fingerprints function may be affected. To show you the different results between using right and wrong operation ways, an example is provided as follows. Look at the pages on the right. First image. We let the page retain natural curves. Second image. We distort the page upward. Third image. We distort the page downward. Fourth, we create unevenness on the page. When comparing the scanning results, we can clearly see that the right operation way in the first image generate a smooth result, while the second, third, and fourth image result in distortions. Therefore, to keep the natural curves of the pages is the correct way of operation. To fulfill the needs of different users, ET is equipped with a professional software. Function keys on the bottom row are from left to right. Print. The scanned images can be printed if the PC is connected with a printer. Move. The images can be moved, dragged, and dropped under the preview. Under the preview, you can choose the adaptive width, adaptive height, or 1:1 ratio display. Select in the box. Part of the image content can be moved, covered, stretched, and delete. Cut. Drag and drop the selection box to clear or cut the content outside the box. Rotation. The image can be rotated 90 degrees to the left or the right, reversed horizontally or vertically, and can be rotated randomly, and also can be achieved at any angle of positive and negative rotation in 15 degrees. Contrast, sharpness, and thickness of the image can be reduced by minus sign and enhanced by plus sign. Reset. Discard all changes and recover the original image. OCR. Convert scanned image to a Word, Excel, or PDF file. Please note, before performing OCR, the image needs to be rotated to the correct direction for the text to be recognized. All languages shown in the picture should be selected for high recognition rate. Processing mode. The software contains 4 paper handling methods: flat and single page, curved and dual page, selected area, and original photo. If the process mode is wrongly selected before scanning and the result is unsatisfactory, the handling method can be changed here. All of these functions can be set in batch at the top, adjust. Please note, choose the image to be handled on the right side before performing all batch adjustment. Auxiliary process. Under the curve dual mode, if the result is unsatisfied, use auxiliary process to adjust the middle line and the laser line manually to ensure you have satisfied results. Click Save after adjustments. Under Flat Single mode, you can click on the auxiliary process, drag 4 green dots or the yellow middle dots to form a rectangular shape for the trapezoid correction. Archive. ET supports to output files in 3 formats. PDF. Generate PDF document from the scanned image. Searchable PDF. Generates PDF with both text and image layers, which enable searches, copy, and paste. Batch OCR. Convert scanned files from the image format into Word format. TIFF. TIFF is to select your multiple pictures in JPEG or use uncompressed way packaged into TIFF format. Turn on the auto scan function. ET will scan pages without press the button or foot pedal automatically. When user turning the page of book or switch the single file under the scanner, the device will detect this action through the video. Then Scissor Scanner software will start scanning and image will process automatically. This operation was made to bring user more intelligent scanning experience. Note, do not interrupt the detection equipment operation like waving arms when scanning. Otherwise, the scanned pages will be affected. Setting. Open the upper right corner of the settings. System setting. Check serial number and the software version. Check hardware version. Language. Select the required software language. The software will automatically restart when you switch language. Help. Click to get technical support. Scanner. Setting frequency. Setting resolution. Selecting DPI. Setting image format. Select paging setting. Pages will split automatically after scan. Visual presenter. Setting the path and format for saving video recording, screen caps, screenshot. To use Wi-Fi mode, please download the Caesar Cloud app on your smartphone, then install the app and register to Caesar Cloud. Log in Caesar Cloud. Click Bind Up. Use your phone to scan the QR code on the bottom of the ET base. Click Confirm to accomplish the binding. Following the procedure on the app, enter Wi-Fi account name and password to enable ET16 connect to Wi-Fi. Connect ET16 to power source. Press Power On button to turn on the scanner. Press Wi-Fi reset button for 3 seconds. Then Wi-Fi indicator will blink blue and green in turns. The app will communicate with ET while sound wave. Wi-Fi mode is activated and can be used when the Wi-Fi indicator changes to continuous green. Click Scan button on ET. TFT screen will flash once. The scanning procedure for current page is finished after the 3 red laser flashlights disappear. You can change to another page for scanning. You can check on the scanning results from the app on your smartphone immediately. You can edit a photo while toolbar on the app, including process mode convert. Check photo information. Download the photo or processing using OCR. OCR currently supports multiple languages. You can also share, delete the photos or export in PDF format in batch by clicking the upper right corner.